Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your payment method on YouTube. First, open the YouTube app on your phone or go to the YouTube website on your computer. The steps are very similar on both, so you can follow along on any device you are using. Once the app or website is open, look for your profile icon. On mobile, you will usually find it at the bottom or top corner of the screen. Tap on your profile icon to open your account menu. After that, find the Settings option. It is usually shown as a small gear icon. Tap on the Settings icon to continue. Now, inside Settings, look for the option that says Purchases and Memberships. Tap on it. This section shows all your active subscriptions, including YouTube Premium. Next, locate your YouTube Premium membership. Tap on it to open more details. Here, you will see your current payment method. Look for an Edit button next to your payment details. Tap on the Edit button. This will allow you to update your payment information. Now, enter your new payment method details. This may include your card number, expiration date, or another payment option depending on what is available in your region. After entering the new details, review the information carefully. Make sure everything is correct. Then confirm the changes to update your payment method. Your new payment method will now be used for future YouTube Premium charges. Thanks for watching.